Hello, how are you all? Today we are going to look at how to create a software that can calculate salary using MS Excel. It's a continuation. If you not watch the third one, please watch it. Okay, now let's look at our Excel sheet. This is my Excel. This is where we reached. I'm going to start from here. How did we get a normal salary? Is the total hours times the rate, normal rate. That gives us that one. How did we get the overtime? The overtime, it is the overtime hours times the overtime rate. Now, there is something I've not done. I need to give it absolute. I have to make it an absolute value so that when I even drag it down, it will stick to that place, which is I7. Then I'm going to give this one also an absolute value. This one. We are looking at overtime, so this times D. So I'll put the absolute value here at this side. Okay, let me check this one again. Is D the absolute? I need to make this one rather an absolute value. Means if I drag it, even it will stay there to no move. Then let's look at our gross. What's going to be the gross? It's also going to be equal to the normal hours, the normal salary plus the overtime. Then let's look at the tax. They give us the tax deduction, payee tax. So we are going to calculate the tax out from this one. So it's going to be this times the tax. So that is the tax. We need to deduct the tax from the gross to get our net. Okay, so it's going to be the gross minus the tax. Now I must insert an absolute value here, which is K4. So where is K4? Is this one. The absolute value is going to be here, so that because I'm going to copy all of them down, drag them down once. So how am I going to copy? You highlight the first cell and move to the last one. It's going to copy everything relative to the cell. So it's copied. Now if you check this, it's still that and that. Have you seen? Let's check the other. You see that the normal is still this and that. So because I place absolute value at this side at D3 using the dollar, when I even drag it down, it doesn't move from that cell to the next one. It sticks there. The same thing applies to this. D4, you see that I place absolute value at D4. Where is D4? This is D4. I place absolute value there. So when I even drag it down, it will still stay at this side. It will not move to the next cell. Okay, now we've gotten our gross, our tax, and the net. Let's give it a nice border. That's one. Then I like this one also. Yeah, let me see. Okay, I'm going to use this tool. So let me shade here to be the same as that one. It must look like that one. Yeah. Then I'm going to shade everything except the net. I'm going to shade everything here like that one. And the net, I want it to stand out, so I'm going to give it a different color. Now it's fine. Let me give this one to the net. Yeah, you can use your own colors to make it even better than this one. Now we are done. Here the first part. We are going to add another. But before I do that, assuming I change this one to 40, see that it changes. Let me change it back to 35. If I change the tax to 15%, see that it also changes. So whatever I'll do here, it will have effect there. Let me bring it back to 20. Then the last thing we will do, I don't know whether my time will not be, my time will allow me. Average. Then we have minimum. We have maximum. Okay. Merge. You remember merge, ne? We are repeating it again. So merge. I'm going to merge this one also. Right click. Format. Merge. Move to this side. Right click. Click the right button of your laptop or of your mouse. That is right click. Right click. You click on format. Merge. I've merged all these 3 cells. I can center it or I can. Okay, we want to calculate the average. It's easy to calculate the average. You type equal, then average. AV, you see it here. Okay, now you have this. So you click on the first, that is D7 colon, then the last one, D9. Close the bracket to calculate the average for you. Then the minimum. The minimum to do similar one, you type MIN. You have your dot, colon, then D9. Maximum, what do you think would be the maximum? MAX. Colon, then D9. Close the bracket. We've done all. You can drag all of them. So I'm dragging it from here to that side. So to calculate the maximum and the minimum and the average. Okay, let me beautify it nicely. So here I will put Let me set border. This one and that one. Okay. Let me this one. Yeah. Then this side we use the same color. Let's use the same color. This one, this color, and this one, that color. Where is that blue? Are you that one? Yeah. Then this side, let me give it red. Okay. I want to center all of them. Center. Yeah. We are done. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Bye.